Hello and welcome back. It's Amanda from hookemcreations, and I have another tutorial for you today. Today we are going to do the popcorn stitch. It's a nice little puff stitch that is super easy for any beginner to do. And here are a couple examples of the popcorn stitch that I did for you already. There are two different ways of how to do it. You can do it away from you and towards you. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quickly, but we're going to do both methods. But the first one we're going to do is the one away from you. Today I am going to be using a 6mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. To do this, you need to have a chain of in multiples of 2 plus 1. I chained 11. From here, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from your hook and single crochet across. This is your foundation. From here, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. From here, you're going to skip the first single crochet and you're going to single crochet 4 stitches in the second stitch. I will also add that you can do this stitch in double crochet and half double crochet, not just single crochet. From there, you're going to make a little loop and take your crochet out of the loop. From here, you're going to take your crochet hook from behind and insert it over that first single crochet that you skipped. Put the loop back onto your hook and pull it through. Single crochet in the next stitch and repeat 4 single crochet in the next stitch. Make a loop, pull it out, pull your hook out, and in between the single crochet and the first single crochet from that second stitch, you're going to insert your hook in between those 2 stitches, put the loop back onto the hook and pull it through. Single crochet in the next stitch, 4 single crochet in the second stitch. Pull it up, insert the hook between the single crochet in the first of the 4 single crochet, loop it back on, pull through, single crochet, 4 single crochet, pull up, and from here you have 2 stitches left, so you're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches at the very end. Here. See, it's nice and flat. Chain 1, turn your work. You're going to skip the first stitch here and single crochet in at each stitch across, and make sure that you single crochet right behind the popcorn stitch. You don't want to skip those. It doesn't look like a normal stitch, If you look at it, it doesn't look like a normal stitch, but you do want to single crochet in it all the way across. And this last hole is very difficult. And that's how you do the popcorn stitch with the stitches away from you. It is a fun texture. It's great for baby blankets. But there is also one other way that you can do the popcorn stitch, and that would be the popcorn stitches facing towards you. I'm going to switch colored yarns. And once again, you're going to want multiples of 2 plus 1. 11 single crochet starting in the second chain from your hook and all the way across, and that is your foundation. From here, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Just like before, you're going to skip the first stitch and do 4 single crochet in the second stitch. Bring the yarn up a little bit and remove the hook. Instead of going behind your work, you're going to bring it to the front and push it through. Put the yarn around, put the loop back on the hook and pull it through. Single crochet in the next stitch. Four single crochet in the next one. Pull it up a little bit. Insert your hook from the front and pull through. Single crochet in the next stitch. 4 single crochet in the next. Two, 3, 4, pull up, insert your hook between the first of the 4 single crochet and the single crochet that you made before in the previous stitch. Put the loop back on and pull it through. Single crochet. Again, 4 single crochet in the same stitch. Pull up, insert your hook between the single crochet from the previous stitch and the first single crochet in your current stitch. Put the loop back on and pull through. And last 2 stitches are going to be single crochets. So single crochet there, and in the last one, single crochet. Chain 1 and single crochet across, skipping the first stitch. This stitch tends to curl. until you put the single crochet row in. Then it flattens out. And there you go. And you just did another popcorn row. Like I said, when you're doing the crocheting, it tends to curl. It's normal. It happens. This yarn likes to curl quite a bit. But the thicker it is, the more it will lay flat. But yes, it does curl. It's normal. It happens. This is a great texture, especially if you are making blankets for like little babies. It's a fun tactile stitch for little hands, for sure. Even big hands. I've made blankets with this stitch. I've also have a free pattern, which I will drop in the description below, for my soap pouch, where it's just a pouch where you put your bar of soap in, and it has this stitch there, and it's a great stitch. You keep your bar of soap in there, and you can wash yourself with the soap, and with this texture against your body, it gives it a nice little massage feel to it. So that's how you do the popcorn stitch. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and a follow, and subscribe to my channel and get notified when the next video comes out. If you want to help our channel financially, buy us a coffee. The link is in the description below. And until next time, happy crafting.